If you've ever heard someone say that cats can't be trained, I want you to forget that right now because it is simply not true. Training your cat doesn't require a ton of time, fancy tools, or even special skills. In fact, you only need three simple things. And I can promise you that training will quickly become one of the most enriching and fun things that you and your cat do together. Hi, I'm Emily, cat trainer and cat adventure enthusiast. I believe cats are capable of so much more than we give them credit for. Let's help them thrive with enrichment, training, and adventure, indoors and out. Let's kitty cat go. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what you actually need to start training with your cat, even if you're brand new to this and short on time. But before we dive in, I want to talk a little bit about why training is important. Yes, you can use it to fix or solve problem behaviors, but more than anything, it's a valuable form of enrichment. It requires problem solving, it gets your cat up and moving, it helps build confidence, and it strengthens the bond you share through positive interaction. For many cats, training becomes one of their favorite enrichment activities. From my personal experience, my cat Griffin loves training. Whenever I bring him out, this room is actually where we do our training in this front room of our house. Whenever he comes out here and I pull out the treats and the clicker, he immediately poofs up and starts purring. He loves training and we just have the best time doing it together. Griffin also struggles a lot with anxiety, and I found that clicker training has done wonders to help build his confidence, ease his anxiety, and just give his anxious mind something fun and positive to focus on. One of the biggest myths I hear is that cats aren't trainable because they're too stubborn or too independent. The truth is, cats are absolutely trainable. A training session with a cat just might look a little bit different than it will with a dog. Plus, finding the right motivation makes all the difference. Food or treats typically work best as a reward, but if you find that your cat isn't really excited about treats, I actually have a podcast episode all about that I will link in the description. Give it a listen if you need some help increasing your cat's food motivation. Another common concern is time, and I get it, we're all busy. But the good news is that training doesn't have to take a lot of time. Even 1 to 5 minutes at a time can be incredibly effective. Shorter training sessions can easily fit into your day, like maybe when you're having your morning coffee. Plus, a shorter session is usually better for your cat anyway than a longer one. To get started, you just need 3 things: a clicker, a treat pouch, and some treats. A clicker is a small device that makes a consistent clicking sound. We use it to mark the exact moment your cat does the behavior you're asking them to do. In your cat's mind, a click means treat, and they'll be eager to repeat the behavior if they know they're going to get a yummy reward after. If you don't have a clicker yet, you can use a different sound like the click of your tongue, or maybe a specific marker word like yes. However, a clicker usually is best because it's easier to be more precise with the timing, and the sound is always consistent. I personally use the Cat School clicker. I really love it because it's like a 3-in-1 kind of deal. You've got the full handheld clicker. It's also a target stick. And then this top portion comes off. Actually, it's removable. And you can loop it onto your finger and have like a really small handheld clicker. So yeah, really cool, really handy, 3-in-1 deal. 10 out of 10 recommend. I'll provide a link to it in the description if you want to snag one for yourself. Next up is a treat pouch. I especially love a treat pouch that has a clip that will easily slide onto your waistband or a pocket. Trust me when I tell you that your training sessions will be much smoother and more enjoyable if your treats are easily accessible. If you have to dig around in a bag or a pocket, it just really interrupts the flow. A treat pouch keeps things fast and frustration-free for both you and your cat. They do not like to wait on those treats. I'll drop a link to my favorite treat pouch down in the description. And finally, you'll want a variety of treats because, as I mentioned, food rewards tend to work best. I personally use a mix of soft, crunchy, and squeezy, and no particular brands. I buy different kinds of treats every time I go to the store. And actually, even a spoonful of your cat's favorite wet food can work too. I'll change up what treat we're using depending on what kind of skills we're working on. For example, if I'm training a really more difficult behavior with my cat, I'll use their absolute favorite squeezy treat. But if we're doing something easier, I'll just use whatever happens to be in my treat pouch, which is usually a hodgepodge. I find that having several different treats in my treat pouch works best because my cats never know what they're going to get. This keeps them on their toes, it helps keep them from getting tired of a particular treat, and it keeps things more interesting for them. What's in my treat pouch right now? Well, let's take a look. Right now, it's a mix of these. These are both crunchy. This is a whitefish flavor, salmon flavor, and now these soft chicken treats. And then actually also I have some just Meow Mix kibble sprinkled in as well. So like I said, a hodgepodge. But that's seriously all you need: a clicker, a treat pouch, and some treats. Once you have those things, you and your cat are ready to go. If you're looking for some guidance on how to actually start the clicker training process, I have a full module on clicker training basics inside my cat enrichment guide, Your Cat's Playground, complete with video demos. These videos are designed to help you use training as enrichment and to build a stronger bond with your cat. Plus, there's a private community space where you can ask questions and share enrichment wins. See, you don't need a long checklist or even a huge time commitment to start training with your cat. With just a clicker, a treat pouch, and some treats, you can start creating meaningful moments with your cat that support their mental well-being and deepen your bond. If this video was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more cat adventure, travel, training, and enrichment tips. And if you're ready to go deeper, you can learn more about Your Cat's Playground through the link in the description. Until next time, happy adventuring.